Hello everyone. Hi. Let other people join this session. A very good evening to all. Hi Dhara. Hi Sandhya. Okay, let me start the session. So I believe all mothers are super moms because we are gifted with superpowers. But some of us need some extra powers, extra energy and extra time because those are working mothers. Juggling between their kids, household responsibilities and work, mothers are not able to cope up or sometimes manage their time. So today's live session is all about that, the time management skills for the working mothers. And we believe after this session, mothers can manage the responsibility and in the end they can have their me time too. And to conduct this session, Toys or Tales is inviting Sandhya Anantani. So I'm giving a brief introduction about Sandhya. Sandhya is an image consultant and a soft skill trainer. She trains on self-management, time management and communication skills. She is also a NLP master practitioner and along with that she coaches people on self-improvement. So I invite Sandhya over here and I think she must be here. Hi Sandhya, very good evening to you.
Hi Pragati, good evening to you too. Good evening to everybody who's joining us.
Good evening to all. I have already given a brief introduction about you in the session and I request you to take the session ahead.
Sure. So, Pragati just said, that I hope Sandhya Anantani is here when I'm talking about time management, right? It is my top priority to be here. And that's how I'm here on time. Very happy to have joined you all. And speaking to all the mothers who are joining in. Like you said in your introduction, that, all moms are super moms, right? They have so many skills and they are doing so much at the same time and raising lives. I think that is something that is amazing. It's a gift of God, right? It is a gift of God, and it's the best thing to do. I mean, to be a mom is such a matter of pride because, like I said, you're raising lives, right? You're nurturing lives.
Right.
So while it is a super mom's job, but you must have seen how busy Superman and Superwoman become taking care of the world around them.
Right.
I'm sure the moms are also right now in this situation struggling with this added responsibility of not only school but also everything, household work and maid not coming in, and
yes,
absolutely right, and so much is happening at home right now. So I train people on communication skills, I train people on time management, and I train people on self management.
Great.
So staying positive through this is very, very important. Pragati, when we were also speaking earlier, right, you mentioned the word challenge, that we are all going through a challenge. I was so happy about that choice of word because the moment you start calling it problem,
Right.
right? The moment you start calling it problem, it becomes an issue. It becomes something that you have to deal with. That is something that is difficult to deal with. It's something that you cannot, grow out of.
Right.
But challenge is something that you can raise your bar, you can skill your management and meet a challenge. So I love that use of word there.
I completely agree. Yeah. Challenge is a task,
isn't
something
it?
which we can overcome also.
Absolutely, challenges we can meet.
Right.
प्रॉब्लम तो रोज का है, प्रॉब्लम चलता रहता है, राइट? और कोई
Thoughts on
आई वाज लिसनिंग
to
टू
begin with also.
right. So I was listening to a Tony Robbins session today. He's a motivational speaker, and I think most of us would know of him.
Yes.
And he's saying the only place you don't have a problem is in a grave. बाकी हर जगह problem है. Problem is a sign of life.
Yes, agree.
Isn't it?
Right.
So let's again, we are going towards the word problem. Let's come back to the word challenge. And yes, it is a challenging time.
Yes. And I have penned down few questions, the challenges which we are facing right now,
Right.
especially the working mothers. So I think you can guide
Right.
us, help us on these questions.
Right. Okay.
So,
So, do you want to start asking me questions,
I
or
will start.
how do we go
Can
about it?
I? Shall I?
Definitely, yes. I'm waiting for that.
So my first question is, during this pandemic time, when the work from home culture is there, all the mothers are working from home, and the kids are at home all the time with no physical activities, no sports. So how to manage it? How to manage the kids, your work, your house, everything at one point of time?
Right. So, the most important thing in time management is organization, is planning.
Right.
Right. Once you are an organized person, a lot of things automatically tend to fall in place.
Right.
Now, organization can be your own self organization, as in, the things that you do, what is the minimal effort that you can put in to get something done.
Right.
Right. Similarly, how organized are you keeping the task that you know you will have to do? For example, घर का काम करना पड़ता है, तो ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हम तैयार रख सकते हैं जिससे उस वक्त हमें ज्यादा टाइम ना स्पेंड करना पड़े उस पर, राइट? रूटीन चीजें, लाइक किचन में भी ऐसी कौन सी चीजें हम तैयार करके रख सकते हैं जिससे हमें उस दिन उसके ऊपर उतना टाइम ना स्पेंड करना पड़े. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, I personally also do it. I cook every day. I have to cook every day twice, thrice, because सबको करना पड़ रहा है. So I have kept a few things ready. Yes. So when I am listening to a session, when I am listening to some talk, something that I am doing, I tend to utilize that time cutting my vegetables. Or I make ginger garlic paste and put it in the fridge, and that paste goes on for 5 days. So those are a few things that you can do to stay organized, right? A lot of people don't think very highly of frozen food, but I do keep a few things frozen. मुझे इमीडिएटली आज मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है तो मैंने सब्जी निकाल के मिक्स वेज मेरा 10 मिनट में बन सकता है, बिकॉज मेरे पास चीजें तैयार हैं, राइट? सो उसके ऊपर मुझे आधा घंटा डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. सिमिलरली आई थिंक एब्सोल्युटली. एंड सुबह में वेयर डू यू वांट टू स्पेंड योर टाइम? आप चाहते हैं कि आप दौड़ते दौड़ते अपनी चाय पिए, बच्चे मैनेज करें, घर का काम मैनेज करें, इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जो आप अगले दिन आधी करके छोड़ सकते हैं, राइट? सो वन थिंग इज टू बिकम ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. 2 is to have a routine. सुबह में क्या काम करना है, दोपहर में क्या काम करना है, इस चीज का क्या इंपॉर्टेंस है, उसे किस वक्त करना है मुझे, ये अगर आपके दिमाग में क्लियर है तो आप पूरा दिन फिर उसको दिमाग में दौड़ाते नहीं हैं, आप स्ट्रेस नहीं हो जाएंगे, राइट? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरा झाड़ू पोछा बाकी है, अब मैंने वो सुबह में नहीं किया तो वो मुझे रात तक वो मेरे दिमाग में चलता रहेगा, या किचन मैंने नहीं क्लीन किया, या बच्चे का होमवर्क बाकी है,
तो मेरा झाड़ू पोछा मेरे दिमाग में रन कर रहा होगा, राइट?
Absolutely, right? So आप पोछा तो दिमाग में तो लगा ही रहे हो, फिजिकली लग नहीं रहा है,
right?
So how do you stay organized and prioritize the things do you do, right? So कोई रूटीन आप ऐसा बांध लीजिए जो आपके लिए वर्क करे. At the same time, make sure that there are a lot of things. या रूटीन आपके लिए तो काम करे, बच्चों का रूटीन सेट कर सकते हैं.
How to keep your kid busy also when there are no physical activity, nothing is there.
Now, see, हम लोग बच्चों को एक पूरा ब्रैकेट तो नहीं डील करेंगे, बिकॉज बच्चों के हर एज में अलग रिक्वायरमेंट होती है. सो किसी का बच्चा अगर बहुत छोटा है, 3 से 4 साल का है, तो उसे हम रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं समझा सकते. बट अगर 7-8 साल से बड़ा बच्चा है तो वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझता है, वो टाइम टेबल समझता है, वो स्कूल जा चुका है, उसे मेंटली पता है दैट देयर इज अ टाइम टेबल दैट आई कैन फॉलो, राइट? सो क्रिएट अ टाइम टेबल. सो क्रिएट अ टाइम टेबल फॉर चिल्ड्रन हु अंडरस्टैंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. टीच देम व्हाट इज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, मेक देम इंडिपेंडेंट. बच्चे का खाना, बच्चे का दूध, अगर आप उसके लिए भी पीछे पीछे भाग रहे हैं और वो 7-8 साल का है और फिर भी पीछे भाग रहे हैं, तो ये चीज तो आपको 3-4 साल में कर देनी चाहिए.
Right. So at least if he's 7 or 8, he can manage his food, his milk, his time. And now there are virtual studies going on, like online schools, and now mother offices have been started. They are going like to the physical offices.
Right.
So how the kids manage their virtual studies if they're not that tech friendly or something? How to manage that?
Right. तो टेक फ्रेंडली करने के लिए बहुत सिंपल है, एप्स हैं. सी, सारे बच्चे अब मोबाइल फोन यूज करते हैं.
हाँ, अग्री,
राइट? उन्हें एग्जैक्टली पता है कौन सी गेम जाकर के कैसे चालू करनी है, कम्पीट कैसे करना है, कैसे कैसे फ्रेंड्स को ऐड करना है, जूम कॉल या कैसे करना है, या फेस टाइम कैसे करना है, राइट? जब वो इतने इंटेलिजेंट हैं तो आप बाकी चीजों की भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उनको दे सकते हो. अपने जूम सेशन में अगर लॉग इन, आई वॉज जस्ट स्पीकिंग टू अ डियर फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, अ रिलेटिव ऑफ माइन, एंड उसने एक ग्रुप में पिक्चर भेजा था टाइम टेबल का.
Okay.
उसकी डॉटर का टाइम टेबल सेट है जैसे स्कूल में टाइम टेबल सेट होता है कि इतने बजे ये है, इतने बजे सोशल स्टडीज है, इतने बजे मैथ्स है, इतने बजे इंग्लिश है. वो दिन में 4 सब्जेक्ट रोज पढ़ती है.
Oh wow.
और
So we can
हाँ,
set the
और
time
स्कूल ने
one
अगर
day
जूम
prior
मीटिंग
in the night also, and you can show up.
एब्सोल्युटली 1 डे प्रायर क्या पूरे हफ्ते का टाइम टेबल सेट कर दीजिए.
Yeah.
Isn't it? So that you know कोई सब्जेक्ट रह नहीं जा रहा है, बच्चे को इनफ मेंटली वो तैयार है, उसके पास रिसोर्स है. सो बच्चे को इंडिपेंडेंट बनाना बहुत जरूरी है. और लाइक आई सेड, हम इतना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं बच्चों से कि वो इतना स्मार्ट हो, वो स्कूल में नंबर 1 आए और ये करे, तो ये भी तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो ले ही सकते हैं. राइट, पर इट इज फॉर द मदर टू बी एबल टू गिव दैट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. कई बार मदर्स बहुत हेजिटेट करती हैं बच्चों को इंडिपेंडेंट करने में.
I think the main motto
So,
is we
एक
should
वो
make our kids independent. That's what I brief up.
एब्सोल्युटली. हाँ, प्लीज मेक श्योर दैट आप जो उससे रिलेटेड सेफ्टी मेजर्स हैं वो भी रखें. फोन पे वो कोई से कोई ऐप में चला जा रहा है, वो अलाउड नहीं होना चाहिए. राइट, बट अगेन बच्चों को अगर आप रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी समझाते हैं, समझदारी समझाते हैं, तो आई एम श्योर ये गलत जगहों पे तो नहीं एंड अप करेंगे.
आज नहीं करेंगे, maybe
Absolutely.
3 days they will learn. Yeah, how to manage their own time.
Absolutely. Yes, yes. पर इसके लिए जरूरी ये है that mothers भी थोड़ी hands on हो और टेक्नोलॉजी को अच्छे से मैनेज कर पाए.
Right, and even sometimes we have to leave.
So I often
let them take 1 or 2 days to get
Right.
to the technology or to the online classes. Yeah.
Absolutely, but it's amazing. YouTube के ऊपर सारे वीडियोस हैं. Zoom कैसे चलता है, Zoom के ऊपर कैसे लॉग इन करना है, कैसे स्लाइड शेयर करना है. Everything has tutorials. You just need to find the time to be able to do it. वो टाइम आपके पास है.
Right.
रात को सुबह में आपको कर सकते हैं और आपको एक बार सीखना है, फिर ये प्रैक्टिस की चीजें याद आ जाती हैं.
Yeah, they are the fast learners, basically.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, बच्चे तो यार they learn like that. So that shouldn't be difficult.
And my next question is, what mothers can do to work from home without being getting stressed? Because आजू बाजू इतना कुछ हो रहा होता है work from home culture में that it gives a lot of stress to us. It's very tough even to concentrate on your work, your kid, and everything which is going around.
Right. So again, I believe stress is a very personal thing.
Stress
isn't it?
Yeah.
आप कितना, it's a very personal thing. आप कितना स्ट्रेस लेते हैं ये आप पे डिपेंड करता है. अब कई मदर्स हैं जो बहुत सारी अलग अलग सिचुएशन से जा रही हैं. देयर आर सिंगल मदर्स, देयर आर मदर्स विद वेरी यंग चिल्ड्रन, मदर्स विद ट्विंस. राइट, वो लोग यही काम करते हैं और कम स्ट्रेस में करते हैं, एंजॉय करके करते हैं. तो आप इतना स्ट्रेस क्यों ले रहे हैं वो आपको ढूंढना है. यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट. हाँ, सी अब क्या हो गया है, फैमिलीज हैव बिकम न्यूक्लियर, सो सोशल सपोर्ट बहुत कम है.
Agree.
सो बच्चे को घर पे छोड़ के जाना या घर से काम करना रिक्वायर्स मोर एफर्ट. ऑफ कोर्स इट रिक्वायर्स एफर्ट, बट कुछ चीजें आप खुद भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अपनी एक काम करने की जगह नक्की कर लीजिए. राइट, मेक श्योर आपका रूटीन सेट हो और बच्चे का रूटीन सेट हो, दोनों का टाइम टेबल सेट हो. उसे पता है मम्मी बाहर कब आएगी या कब वो अटेंड करेगी. उसे ये भी पता होना चाहिए दैट ये इमरजेंसी है और ये इमरजेंसी नहीं है.
So if you're saying if I'm working in a room, so my kids should be aware कि like अभी emergency, so I can knock and come inside.
Absolutely, and they should be given, they should be explained this thing that ऐसा ऐसा हो तो मुझे बुलाओ और ऐसा ऐसा हो तो मुझे मत बुलाओ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तुम्हारे भाई ने तुम्हारी पेन ले ली, तो अब वो चीज है जो तुम खुद से रिजॉल्व कर सकते हो. दूसरी पेन वहां पड़ी है, वहां से जाके ले सकते हो. राइट. So talk to them, explain it to them. अच्छा, I also have very fun friends जिनका उन्होंने अपने रूम के बाहर लिख दिया है call mummy for only this और 4 चीजें लिखी हुई है.
Wow.
So वो बच्चा पढ़ता है कि मैं अभी मम्मी को बुलाना है और ये 4 चीजों में मेरी डिफिकल्टी फॉल करती है, नहीं तो फिर अभी नहीं बुलाना है.
That's good. That's a very great idea.
So
yeah, we can stick it on a door.
It is a stick it on a door. Let them read it, right?
Yeah.
Because unless and until they don't respect your time and your work, or after all हम काम कर क्यों रहे हैं? हम काम कर रहे हैं for a good family life, to provide for our children, right? To also make sure we are productive.
Right.
So you have to ensure that they understand that and you understand that. Once that is clear कि मेरी priority क्या है, फिर यार ज्यादा स्ट्रेस होना नहीं चाहिए. और अगर फिर भी हो रहा है तो फिर बहुत सारी चीजें, आप ज्यादा ऑर्गेनाइज हो जाइए, ज्यादा प्लान कर लीजिए, इमरजेंसी के लिए थोड़ा टाइम रखिए. हर 3 घंटे में या हर 2 घंटे में आधे घंटे का ब्रेक लीजिए. लुक अराउंड, डू थिंग्स. So that is a rhythm you have to
And do
set for
things which
yourself.
you like, because as you say, stress is very personal. इतना organized होने के बाद भी
Yeah.
stress हो रहा है, then you do some things which you are fond of to release it. What I believe.
Absolutely. Then you check with yourself.
Yeah, I completely agree. So now my question is, how to keep the home environment positive? Now we are talking about stress only, तो घर में भी बहुत
Yes.
कुछ होता है. So how to keep that environment positive?
Right. See, your home environment is again directly a result of your own feeling. आप कितना पॉजिटिव फील कर रहे हैं, घर में लाइट रह रहे हैं, ह्यूमरस रह रहे हैं, चीजों को मैनेज कर रहे हैं, उससे घर का एनर्जी बनता है. If you are somebody who stays stressed, is angry, is frustrated, that is going to show in everybody in the house. Energy is very contagious, right? It just spreads around you. So you have to ensure that आपको अच्छे मूड में रहना पड़ेगा. आपको as a mother, as somebody who is the center of the house, you are the gravity of the house, right? Everybody is glued to you.
Agreed.
So that center, that core cannot be constantly in friction.
Right.
So meditate karo, workout karo. I often tell people workout is a great way to stay positive.
Really.
Workout आधा घंटा भी अगर आप exercise करते हैं, your endorphins, your chemicals get going, your hormones get going, and you feel more positive. In fact, काफी एक्टिविटीज में I've seen videos of parents working out with children, parents taking dance classes with children online.
Yes, even doing some yoga with your kids, that also work.
Absolutely, yeah, absolutely. And जितनी आदतें अच्छी आप कल्टिवेट कर रहे हो इस टाइम में, वही आदतें आप अगर बच्चों में भी कल्टिवेट करते हो तो और क्या चाहिए?
This is the time when we are spending so much time with our kids. So many new things we can do it right now if we take it positively. This work from home culture.
Absolutely.
Right.
Absolutely. I often say, ये टाइम कब मिलेगा? 2.5, 3, 4 months with your family. When did humans ever last have this time? We've never had a time like this.
It depends on as we take it as a stress or it's like as a positive thing in our life.
Absolutely. हाँ, I mean, I can understand कि 3 महीने बाद इसके बारे में positive रहना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, right? But that is where being a mother is important, or being a woman is important. The more positive you stay, the more positive people around you will stay. The more stressed you are, it will just spread.
Stress to your family also.
Absolutely.
Right.
And Pragati, children, sorry to interrupt, but children look up to their parents, right? Children look up to their parents. Absolutely. So आप जो कर रहे हैं, and there are so many quotes, right? People, I mean, we say that children do what their parents do, right? Or what their mothers do. So the responsibility is clearly on you to do things correctly, stress-free, manage things, keep fun, keep light, so that everyone around you feels that too.
Wow, so nice. So my next question is, sometimes there is so much of work pressure, like office work or household chores or other things, that we are not able to give that much quality time to our kids, which is very required at this growing age. It needs some particular amount of time.
Yes.
But yes, mothers are so busy in other things that we don't have that much time left. And you know, in the night we have a guilt issue. Oh my God, I'm not able to give that time.
Yeah. प्रगति, इतना टाइम होने के बाद भी अगर टाइम नहीं दे पा रहे हैं तो फिर टाइम की गलती ही नहीं है.
Okay.
Isn't it? So if in spite of whatever is happening, see, I read a lot online also, and I've been reading about effects that this period will have on adults and on children. Right. Now, adults can express it. You and I can talk about it. How do you think a 4-year-old child is processing this period that is going? Or an 8-year-old child who's not played in a garden since last 2.5 months? How do you think he is processing
met
this?
Their friends in the last 3 months.
They've not. So to be socially cut out like that is very difficult for them, right? Where do they spend this energy? So again, here activities become very important, not only for parents, but other adults in the house also. People living in joint family have this advantage that they have different people that the children can go to and play with, and mothers can keep doing other things.
Grandfathers are also there to take care of the kids.
Yes. Nuclear family में थोड़ा challenge है. There are 2 parents and maybe 2 children. So वहाँ पे giving time to children is very important. And I am a professional and I work, but I do agree with the fact that whatever we do for our children, or we do for homes, right? Our family. And अल्टीमेटली अगर फैमिली को उसका फायदा नहीं मिल रहा है, हम उसके ऊपर फ्रस्ट्रेट हो रहे हैं, तो फिर क्यों काम कर रहे हैं?
Makes sense. It's a very
Isn't it? Ultimately, yeah.
The ultimate
So
goal is like
to ensure
if we're
that
not happy with our work, then why we are working? Big question in our life.
Huh, absolutely. If I'm not happy, if my children or my family is not happy, why do I need to? So I'm not asking people to quit here. I'm just asking them to create a positive mindset
Makes
here.
sense. Makes sense. Completely agree.
Right?
Yeah.
So there is a comment, and there's somebody said, even bringing other adults in the house or on board helps. Absolutely. So I would agree with that. The Rolling Seasons who has made this comment
Right.
that it's true. If you are in a joint family, you're truly blessed in this time. Children can go to grandparents, learn so much from them. There are so many activities that they can do with different set of people in the
We can
house.
have a play
So
time
for a joint
also.
family, it is definitely.
Yes.
Yes, yes, and everybody can chip in. Like my own house also, my father takes care of the grandkid,
Right.
and the women of the house are cooking and they're managing the housework, and the brother is doing something else. So अंदर set हो जाता है.
Right. Makes sense. So coming up, my next question is some particular day, like I have a lot of work, but my kid is not well, or maybe he's not in a good mood. So how to manage that day? That day become such a stressful day of a life, like when the kids are not well, their
Right,
demands.
right.
So how to handle that?
Right. See, again, different age groups, different attention. If the child is 7, 8 or 9, 10, they are manageable with medicines and mood खराब है तो आप उसको थोड़ा उस दिन थोड़ा स्क्रीन टाइम ज्यादा देके या थोड़ा टीवी टाइम ज्यादा देके या थोड़ा ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ ज्यादा बिठा के मैनेज कर सकते हो.
Right.
हाँ, but if your child is only 2, 3, 4 or 5, at that age mood swing or health, both of these things require a lot of attention. The child is not capable to take care of himself in that period.
Completely.
So उस वक्त तो ध्यान देना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
But you can again organize your time or do a chunk time, which means बच्चा जब सो रहा है तब आप अपना काम कर लो, या वो खाना खा रहा है तब आप उसको उसके तब खाने के टाइम रहो, दवा के टाइम उधर रहो, but उसके beyond थोड़ी देर you can find chunks of work in between. But if your child is not well, then wanting to work for 9 hours undisturbed, I don't think a mother would even want
Yeah,
that.
yeah, mothers know the answers. I completely agree. Yeah, but I believe you are right. We can be liberal on that day. We can increase the screen time or TV time on that day. Okay, so we can manage our work.
A little.
Health, yeah, on a particular day.
Yeah, but that is a greater difficulty we are also facing. Children having too much screen time lately or too much television.
Right now, so how to manage that also? That's my question. When the kids are having so much of screen time.
But so many activities can be done. You can utilize a child's off-screen time to do creative things. Children are painting, they're taking online classes, there are origami free sessions happening on YouTube. There are so many activities, but a parent will have to sit and explore, find out the right activities, and then engage the child.
Yeah,
So,
yes.
एब्सोल्युटली. तो यूट्यूब पे आप उस बच्चे को यूट्यूब पे ना रखें, बट आप यूट्यूब से थोड़ा एक्टिविटी सीख के बच्चे को करवा सकते हैं. एंड राइट नाउ एप्स एंड ऑल अमेजोन वगैरह तो डिलीवर कर ही रहा है, तो कुछ चीजें आप बोर्ड गेम्स हैं वो मंगवा सकते हैं, मोनोपोली है, बिजनेस है, ऐसी चीजें मंगा सकते हैं which will take a larger 1-1.5 घंटा लग जाएगा एक सेशन में.
Yes.
So that will keep them mentally active also.
Right, and they can save their screen time.
Absolutely, yeah. But then, see, children are full of energy. When they are not doing their screen time, they will get bored. They wouldn't know what else to do. So you will have to create activities for them that they can do when they're not on a phone.
So yeah,
but creating those activities is your
for that. This is your activity time.
Yes, absolutely, yes.
They can choose, and during that activity time, we can play this game or that. They can plan like that.
Absolutely, give them 2-3 options. Yeah, they can paint, they can get creative, or they can create something. Yes,
right. So now this is my last question, but it's a very important question right now. Being a working mother, does exactly means that you are sacrificing your own free time, your own me time? I know one of my friends, she said that during this lockdown, she didn't even watch a single movie. She says she's a working mom. She didn't have a time to even watch a single movie. She was so busy with the kids and the work. So do you mean the working mothers don't have a free time at all? How to manage that?
Your family, your social support is very important. how empowered is your spouse to also deal with the child? How ready are your in-laws to also take care of the child? Is your sibling या older sibling है वो बच्चे का ध्यान है क्या उस period में? So I was speaking to somebody again about this, and I said, "How are you getting your me time?" She said, "I have to wake up 1 hour early."
Okay.
Simple as that. अगर मुझे me time चाहिए तो ये
audible.
All right. Is this better now?
It's better now.
Pragati, can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now.
All right, super. So I was saying that I was just speaking with somebody, and this talk came up, and I said, "Are you getting any me time?" And all. She's like, "हाँ, me time तो हो रहा है. I just have to wake up an hour early."
Oh,
so we have to put in additional effort to be able to create that me time for us also, right? But you can have that me time. You can cut away from everybody else by ensuring that your spouse be able to take some responsibility. Your in-laws can take some responsibility. Or while the children are studying, you can sit and read a book. You can watch something online.
Yeah.
But you have to consciously create those pockets. पहले थोड़ा ऐसा हो जाता free time मिल जाता था, अब free time ढूंढना निकालना पड़ेगा.
Yes, we have to put an effort for it. That's what I can say. Some extra.
Absolutely.
So I think my questions are over, but I really want you to give 3 important tips just to conclude this session, and final 3 tips from Sandhya. I want to know for the working ones.
All right. So I have always said that you are a reflection for your child. Whatever you do, the child will imitate and immediately look up to it, right? So simple things that you can do is make sure that you follow a routine, right? That your children, if they sleep early or wake up at a certain time, at a specific time, you will find that me time opportunity also. But you have to ensure that their schedule is set, and discipline is going to be very important in this period.
Sense.
So staying disciplined, sticking to a routine, and being more organized are my 3 tips.
Wow, great. I think all these 3 points are really valuable. Especially we are also working mothers, so I think it's great. All the 3 advice, I think we all try to follow.
Thank you so much. I hope, I'm sure everybody will follow. And I think moms, like we discussed, they are super women. They have these superpowers. They just have to find out and channel it now.
Thank you, Sandhya. Yeah. Thank you for being on this page on Toyjoy Tales. We are very glad that you are here, share your tips, share your advices. And I hope viewers like this session.
I hope so. I'm sure there is a lot of takeaway from them, discussions. And Pragati, I think we should talk about things like this, right? It gives so many ideas to people, and just talking about it makes you realize there are other people also dealing with similar issues. So thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to come on board and talk.
I think we should come up like these sessions more on a page.
Absolutely. I think all moms will be very happy to again just see that everybody is in this together.
Okay, sure. Okay. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Bye.
Thanks, yeah. Bye.
Bye. Okay. So Toyjoy Tales is coming up with a webinar on this coming Friday. And the panelists are the few play schools of Ahmedabad and the play areas. And they are going to talk about the changes, the productive changes made in the education, how the virtual learning has been started and how they have changed our life, our kids' life, and even the teachers and the schools. So see you on Friday, everyone. Please be there. Thank you.